Are you looking to harness the power of ChatGPT and AI tools to unlock new earning opportunities? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to explore how you can leverage these cutting-edge technologies to make money in just 7 steps. Step 1. Become an AI-powered virtual assistant. With ChatGPT, you can provide valuable assistance to individuals and businesses remotely. Whether it's answering customer inquiries, scheduling appointments, or providing information, your AI-powered virtual assistant can handle it all. Step 2. Monetize your creative skills. AI tools can assist you in creating stunning designs, videos, or even music. From graphic design to video editing, AI-powered tools can streamline your workflow, save time, and help you produce high-quality content that clients are willing to pay for. Step 3. Dive into data analysis. AI tools can process vast amounts of data, uncover patterns, and generate insights faster than ever before. Become a data analyst and use AI to analyze market trends, customer behavior, or financial data. Your expertise combined with AI tools will make you an invaluable asset to businesses seeking actionable insights. Step 4. Offer AI-powered customer support. With ChatGPT, you can create chatbots that provide instant assistance to customers. Help businesses enhance their customer experience by developing conversational AI solutions that can handle customer queries and provide solutions round the clock. Step 5. Embrace online tutoring with AI. Leverage AI tools to enhance your tutoring sessions. From personalized lesson plans to adaptive learning algorithms, AI can optimize the learning experience for students, making you a sought-after tutor in today's digital age. Step 6. Become a social media manager. AI-powered tools can assist you in scheduling posts, analyzing engagement metrics, and optimizing content strategies. Help businesses grow their online presence and reach their target audience effectively. Step 7. Offer virtual event planning services. Utilize AI tools to organize and manage virtual events, conferences, or webinars. From registration processes to attendee engagement, AI can streamline your event planning and make you a go-to virtual event expert. And there you have it. By leveraging ChatGPT and AI tools, you can tap into various earning opportunities, from virtual assistants to content creation, data analysis, customer support, tutoring, social media management, and event planning. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the possibilities with ChatGPT and AI tools today and unlock your earning potential in just 1 minute.